Looking for custom water filter system design and installation in Fort Saskatchewan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expertly designed water filtration systems to give your home clean, safe, and great-tasting water every day. If you're struggling with hard water, unpleasant odors, or unwanted contaminants, our custom filtration solutions are built to tackle Fort Saskatchewan's unique water quality challenges. We ensure efficient installation, long-term performance, and cost-effective solutions tailored to your home's needs. With local expertise and trusted service, Kingstree Plumbing is your go-to choice for custom water filter installation in Fort Saskatchewan. Take the first step toward better water quality today. Call Kingstree Plumbing or book online for your custom water filter system installation.